An exciting new chapter began in May of 2008 when we opened our new U.S. facility in Concord, North Carolina. With an Italian design aesthetic that's both sleek and inviting, our facility encompasses a professional training center, research and development, administrative offices, manufacturing, and warehouse. Innovation, customer service, and the ongoing growth of Pregel America are now under one roof to accommodate all of our customers' needs. At Pregel America, our dedicated team offers customers all the support and resources they might need. It starts with our sales and special service team. Whether it's processing an order or answering customer questions, they're always ready to help. We assign personal representatives for each U.S. region to assure individualized service to customers no matter where they're located. Clients with multiple locations across the U.S. can take advantage of Pregel's Key Accounts Department, created to help meet their unique styles and needs. And of course, there's our state-of-the-art professional training center that offers a variety of classes for all different skill levels. Plus, to make sure that customers get the message out about their businesses, they can also tap into the exclusive resources of our marketing and business consulting teams. The attention Pregel America pays to service also links customers with top vendors. Clients can be confident they're in the know and have access to the latest industry supplies and equipment. Pregel America is not only a leader, but an innovator in the industry and is always looking ahead. Our dedicated and unique team respects our customers, and we pledge to continue to support and educate them for their optimum success. Your passion, our ingredients. It's not just a slogan, it's what we believe in at Pregel America.